Yeah, so this is part 2, and as you guys could see, I ended up removing the pump anyways because I think there's just a bunch of wires in the bottom of the AC unit, the air handler, which was impacting the float. See? So if you didn't see the first part of the video, I was getting a Ch04, and that's the drain wire right here, the condensate float switch. It normally closes. CM float, normally closed switch, and I just cut the 2 wires because my meter leads is too fat to get down into the plug connection. Okay, so it's whenever it's closed, it's okay, as you can see in the drawing. And whenever the water level is high or the pump doesn't work, pump is currently spinning right now. It's on right now. Whenever the pump doesn't work or the drain is clogged, then the water level will go up and then lift this float. And once this float is lifted, then the contacts is opened. Open contacts, and there you go. So right now this wire is disconnected, and so we should be in an alarm. You can see. And you can see all the wires in the bottom there. So that's the reason why the float wasn't making. Code 4. All right. If you guys like this video, subscribe, give it a thumbs up. If you don't give it a thumbs up, then I won't make videos like these. You have to comment in the comment section, comment in the video, and give it a thumbs up so I know you guys like it, and I will do more videos like these. Okay. So I'm just gonna get these wires out of the way from down there. And once I get those out of the way, I'm gonna reinstall the pump and float switch assembly. Yeah, that blue wire right there is the pump. That's the plug for the pump. And it's currently running, you just can't see it. Okay, so it just turned off. Here it goes again. Okay, close this video off. Don't forget to comment and like this video so I can make more like this if you guys like it. And comment on it. If you got questions, you can leave in the comment sections. I'm out.